are considering in developing policies. Digital learning's impact on the economic sector in India cannot be emphasized. It has enabled entrepreneurship and innovation, enhancing the global competitiveness of the Indian market. Online platforms have made entrepreneurship easier and more affordable with the rise in the gig economy. With the emergence of new technologies such as the Internet of Things, Big Data, and Artificial Intelligence (AI), India's economy is transforming into a digital economy. Digital learning is preparing Indian youth for the digital world, making them job ready. Digital learning systems or e-learning has the potential to play an important role in the various aspects of development in India. Here are some potential impacts. Social. Digital learning systems can provide access to education for people who are socially or geographically marginalized due to various reasons like poverty, disability, gender inequality, since it reduces the need for physical mobility and offers flexible schedules. This can bridge the digital divide and serve more people in remote areas. Additionally, online platforms can create a sense of community and collaboration among learners, which is a useful feature, especially for people who feel disconnected with their local communities. Political. Digital learning systems can also promote political engagement and awareness among citizens by providing access to democratic education, civic engagement, and participatory training. Through e-learning, people can learn about civic rights and responsibilities, which can contribute to the development of a more informed and active citizenry. Economic. Digital learning systems can help reduce the skills gap and promote employability by providing access to skills development programs, vocational training, and specialized courses. This can enhance the quality of human capital and workforce productivity, which can ultimately contribute to the country's economic growth. Educational. Digital learning systems can help bridge the disparities in the educational sector due to the unequal distribution of resources and infrastructure. Through online platforms, students can access educational content regardless of their location, language, and economic status. This increases the educational opportunities for students and promotes lifelong learning. Digital learning systems has great potential and benefits in various aspects of development. However, the effectiveness of digital learning systems also depend on several factors such as technological infrastructure, accessibility, content, quality assurance, and integration with traditional models of education. In conclusion, digital learning systems are becoming an integral part of the social, political, economic, and educational development of India. It has the power to transform India and make it a developed nation by nurturing its people to acquire knowledge and skills required for the 21st century. Therefore, it is imperative to embrace digital learning systems and promote them in every sector of the country for the nation's growth. I would like to thank all the organizing committee of this organization for this great opportunity to discuss about the digital learning systems. Thank you. Digital learning systems in the social, political, economic, and educational development of India. India, a developing nation, is promoting the use of digital technologies to augment various sectors' growth. The influx of digital learning systems has opened up new opportunities for India to advance and compete in the 21st century with other developed nations. The first area where digital learning systems have had a significant impact is education. The traditional classroom-based learning systems has given way to online platforms that provide interactive textbooks and accessible, bridging the gap that existed between urban and rural learners. It has brought quality education to the doorstep of countless students, reducing disparities in their social economic backgrounds. The rise of digital learning has also impacted the political sector of India positively. Digital platforms have enabled transparency, accountability, and engagement between elected officials and citizens. It has facilitated greater participation in the democratic process and helped to strengthen the democratic institutions of the country. Digital learning has empowered people to become more informed citizens.